What's up guys, Track Palmer here with a video to show how to replace your battery for your key fob. I will be doing the demonstration with a key fob for a 2014 Toyota Highlander. However, the process is similar for many key fobs for different makes and model vehicles. The required battery for this key fob is number 2032 and this battery is the same for many vehicles. Let me remove the battery from the package using this scissors. The tool needed for this job is the key that comes with the key fob. To remove the key, squeeze this button right here and it will slide right out. Now I will open the casing to get access to the battery by using the key. Place the key in this little hole right here and twist left or right. It should pop right out like you see here. Remove the board to access the battery at the back. The battery is held in place by 4 small clips at the edge. I can try to use the same key or my fingernail to remove the battery, but I will use this little cell phone SIM tray removal tool. This is easier because it is very small. You can see how easy that was. Snap the new battery in place in this direction. I noticed some dust in the key fob, so I will first clean with a detailing brush before putting everything back together. Now I will reinstall the board. Snap the casing back in place and it is time for testing. I will hold down this button to trigger the alarm. The alarm is now triggered, so the key fob is working. But how will you know when to replace the battery? Well, some vehicle like this 2014 Toyota Highlander will indicate, like you see right here, that the key fob battery is low. Another sign that the battery may need to be replaced is when the range from which the vehicle can be opened and closed gets shorter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.